Liverpool drop points again. All things remaining equal, our lead is now down to potentially 5 points with 12 games to go. In terms of the quality of our performances and the results, are we seeing a wobble as we approach the turn for home? I mean, I lie, the Mavericks start getting nervous. We're having nightmares of deja vu as we head into the pressure part of the season. That inevitable slip that they were all wishing on Liverpool. Is this it? The good thing though is that if this period represents that wicked slip for Liverpool, and every time we slip, we end up with a point, sometimes 3, then Liverpool could very well slip our way right to the title. And it's not just that. The other teams in the race, uno better not slip, or else to the title, uno, Liverpool, I go pip.